Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So we've been decoding Mamwich, changing to Manwich. Um, we got our extractions, got that to go through all the categories, got a suspect in the University of New Mexico. And of course, the theory being that if you take what actually changed and eliminate what didn't change in a Mandela effect, you can find out what's in the actual changes themselves. And I'll demonstrate that one more time. Lone Eagle left a comment that I should explain that better. We have explained that multiple times, but maybe it wouldn't hurt to explain it again. Um, so you got Manwich changed to Manwich here, and in order to figure out what actually changed, you got to figure out what didn't. So you see Mamwich changed to Manwich. By the way, we also got the residue to provide evidence for this change. So if you see MA and MA are on both sides of this equation, so you can eliminate that because they're the same. MA, and WICH, and WICH, it's still the same in both. So you can eliminate that. That didn't change. So the only thing that actually changed is an M changed to an N here. So you bring MN down. Now we've already got that to run. MN. Now we've used this numerology chart here to change an M to a 4 and an N to a 5. 4, 5. And because the number 9 is so important in gematria and to the Cabal, Freemasons, whoever you want to call, or whatever you want to, to all those people, they're all connected. You can add 4 plus 5 here, and actually comes to 9. So we actually ran 9 too. All right. So, and we've already ran MN. Now we're running 4, 5. We've got that to go through the stock market, finance, genetics, medical, and now we're on chemical. So 4, 5 ends up being 45 is rhodium. And we'll get into that on the periodic table of elements in the next category because we will do atomic numbers next. So we won't get too far into that. Characteristics of 45 brand steel. China 45 steel equivalent. Mechanical properties. You've also got 45th Chemical Company. And that's maybe that'll come up in the military search. Maybe it won't. I'm not sure. So we'll just check it out. 45th Chemical Company constituted 12 March of 1942 in the Army of the United States as Company B, 81st Chemical Battalion. Activated 25 April 1942 at Fort D.A. Russell, Texas. Reorganized and redesigned 14 February 1944 as Company B, 81st Chemical Battalion, motorized. And there's a lot we could go through. See, reorganized and redesignated 20th of October 1953 as the 45th Chemical Company. So there you go. Inactivated 30th September 1956 at Bryce, Norton, England. Activated again in 1958, January 7th at Dugway Proving Ground, Utah. So, and activated in 2016. So apparently it's going today. So I'm not sure. Maybe that'll come up in the military search, but maybe not. I know rhodium will come up in in the atomic numbers, so that's why we're skipping that kind of, but it's there. You also have NFPA 45, Standard on Fire Protection for Laboratories. Chemical composition and mechanical properties of type 45 CS from publication. Corrosion fatigue behavior of carbon steel in drilling. C45 chemical composition. So you got some stuff with chemical compositions. You got a measurement here. Thick chemical resistant bib apron. Probably for laboratories, I'm sure. Silver shield. That's the chemical resistant stuff. How about diamond rubber? 4T295 black 45-inch chemical resistant bib. That's the same thing we just read. So a few things going on there, but we're going to move on to 4. And 4, here you got 4 chemical oxidation, federal remediation technologies. That's what I wrote down. And I don't see my number there. So how about 4 chemical oxidation? Federal remediation technologies. And I'm sure there's more if we wanted to go on, but we're going to move on to 5 because we can. And what I found here is arsenic 5 plus at PubChem. Structure, chemical names, and physical and chemical properties, classifications, patents, literature, biological activities. So arsenic. You also have CH150, Chapter 5, chemical reactions. And Chapter 5, highly reactive chemicals, University of Nevada. So there's another university they can hit. Of course, the theory being that quantum computers make some of these changes, not necessarily all of them. And some of those quantum computers are rigged or are designed to run the gematria algorithm. So that's what we're doing. We're going to break this all down into gematria here. I don't see my number here. Chemical agents by category, though. Definitely not seeing my number. So you got a couple things going on there, and that gets you through going forwards. Now we're going to come back. We're going to start with 54. Accounts of chemical research, volume 54. So it's probably a lot of chemical research there. CAS 110 54-3, Fisher Chemical. Chemical and morphological characterization of sugarcane. That's important. The Journal of Chemical Physics, volume 54, number 2. Sparkling Sanitizer 54. Sanitizer, why not? Chemical Injection NPT Access Fitting Model 54. So we've already done 5. We've already done 4. And if you add 4 plus 5, you get 9. So we're going to move on to 9. How about tetrahydrocannabinol? Cannabinol. THC. The term THC usually refers to the delta 9 THC isomer with chemical name. So, it's got with this chemical name. And remember, we had in medical, we had we dealt with medical marijuana. So, How fitting is it that we find THC? 9, chemical kinetics. Chemical kinetics is a study of the speed with which a chemical reaction occurs and the factors that affect this speed. So I don't see my number there, but look, ultra cold chemical reactions reveal the quantum mechanism. And let's just see if we click in here, do we? Wow. Do we see our number 9 anywhere? Five nine three 65. Not seeing the 9, guys. So I guess we'll discount that as much as. Oh, wait, May 19th. Nah. So we'll discard that as much as I would like not to, because there's the 9 ain't there. So anyway, what's this? Protection against chemical weapons. Article IX is 9. Article 9, IX is 9, right, baby?
What?
IX is 9, right?
Yes.
Okay, well, this actually, Article 9 here deals with assistance and protection against chemical weapons. How about that crap? So wherever Article 9 was, that deals with protection against chemical weapons. So, and of course, there's your storybook, Convids 1984 by George Orwell. Information, read at your own discretion. And that gets you through going forwards and backwards in chemical. So we'll do atomic numbers next. We already know rhodium's going to be there. We'll get into that. We'll get into what rhodium is then and whatever else may be there. And then we'll move on to laboratory. No, we'll move to artificial intelligence and then robotics and then mechanics or machinery and then military. So then laboratories, research groups, technology, and some random. And then we'll run the gematria probably against the University of New Mexico and see if they might have used the quantum computer that may have caused this change. So that's going to be it for this one, guys. So for now, thanks for all your thumbs up, thumbs down when appropriate. Thanks for all your comments, leads, feedback, and subscriptions. And thanks for watching, guys. And for now, you guys have a great rest of your day.